Welcome back, everyone. It's new parts day, and this time it's a bit different. First time I've ordered from this place here, Console 5, and as you may notice from the label, I'm also working on a new system, so it's not just Commodore anymore. I've got myself an Atari 800 XL system that I've been fixing, or am fixing up. This here is a recap kit for a 1050 disk drive, which they sell, and also a cap kit for the 600 and 800 XL, all the electrolytics, which can go bad. I'm not sure if these are the 85 degree or 105 degree rated caps. There are some Rubicons in there, so they do look like to be fairly decent quality capacitors. Okay, I'll have to make note of that later when I'm doing the recapping on those. And also, of course, a replacement belt for the 1050, because after 35 or 40 years, these do wear out. And of course, should have it the right way around. And of course, even a 410, which was included in the bundle. Of course, I won't be using it as much as the 1050, but still be good to have it in working condition. Even, of course, they threw in their typical business card. Cool thing they did on the back is a quick little cheat sheet for checking capacitors, like the surface mount devices and the tantalum, just for decoding the markings. Because if you're like me, you're not doing it all the time, you may forget sometimes. And they even threw in a little bit of candy as well, and this one is an atomic fireball, cinnamon flavored candy. I don't know if that's a gum or something like Jawbaker, but anyways, I'll give that a try when the camera's not running. Well, that's it for now, and I'll see you again soon.